It is release day. Alright. Waiting for my chance to slip away. Let's do this thing. What's up, Doodle? It's release day, man. I released my baby to the wild.
Oddball.
Alright. Spooky. What? Alright, I just gotta edit some of these little things in here. Alright, what are we looking at?
Play ball.
Alright. So, this is all front-end stuff. I don't care about anything but this stuff. I don't even remember what I set the score as. Needs to win 400, which is 6.66. Oh wow, good choice. What? For 6.5 minutes. Nah, we don't do minutes. Info ball. Ooh, you know what? I actually need to go make a balance change real quick. So I was thinking about this, and this sucker is freaking OP. Where's my attach special? 100 damage is just like, what? I realized that the other day when I picked it up in like 3-shot tiny, and I was like, I don't know. I might need to make that scale with time, but I mean, the buff is just a little bit nice. A little bit of extra damage, a little bit less armor and magic resist. It's not necessary. If I feel like it's too strong, or too strong in damage-wise, or too strong in the nerf to your armor and stuff, then I might just get rid of it. There could be a lot of interesting mechanics with that. I'll have to figure that one out. Okay. Get rid of that nonsense. So, we don't need, I think we only need, well, we'll keep all 3. So the ball, let's see, and this is going to be camps. Ooh, I also need one for buff pads. Too many exclamation marks. Tips. No, I should just add another one for Roshan. I'll put that one at the bottom. Ooh, maybe I should make passing the ball minus a point. I'll have to think about that. Write that down. Okay, cool, I already did that. I thought about it, and actually I built in the logic so that the ball would respawn so that I could venture down that path if I wanted to. So I would really like to get that in there. I think that it would be fun. The more I think about it, I'm like, yeah, that's probably something I want to do. I should write that down. Change ball pass to linear tracking. Spawn Roshan. Okay, cool, I already did that. Yeah, I like that idea. Because I've already got the logic in so that if the ball isn't picked up for 10 seconds, it respawns at the middle. Because I didn't want something stupid to happen where somebody dies off the map and somehow it just gets stuck behind a tree or something and there's no way to kill it without like buying a tango. I don't know. I was like, I'll just build this in. That way, if somebody like has a full inventory or something and they take too long to drop an item, it could be really funny. I will definitely, I'll consider that for sure. I think I might end up doing that though. I feel like what'll happen is right before people die, they'll probably just throw the ball and get it reset, and that could get really obnoxious. But at the same time, like that definitely could be a strategy. Unless they like threw it behind a tree or like, I don't know. I'll experiment with it. That's for sure a good idea. I like it. You have to take some more fleshing out to think about it. Pass the ball to your teammates. What else can you do? Pass the ball before they die? You know what? That's a classic. That's a classic Halo strat. Like throw the ball off the cliff before you die, so that it respawns back at the middle. I should definitely put that in there. I mean, you can pass it to your teammate right now, but you can't just like throw it out in the middle of nowhere, or down a hill, or up a hill, or something. So if there's no teammates nearby. But yeah, I think I'll get that in there. I'll see if I can get it in before this. I think it'll be super easy to get it in. I just may need to change particles, which kind of sucks because that particle I believe is a tracking particle and not a linear particle. So I'll have to figure that one out. I may be able to just steal it and change it to be tracking, but I don't know if I can. Oh, whoops. Wait, what the heck? Oh, I put that one at the bottom. I was like, where did that come from? What else? What else? There we go. Freaking map awareness, you scrubs. Alright. Let's see how it looks. I don't know if that's gonna update. Oh gosh, it did. Wait. Kind of? I'm gonna have to go create a bunch of pictures out of the asset browser. Yeah, I already have all that set up. So it really would just be changing, all it would be is changing this from tracking projectile to a linear projectile, and then updating the properties on that. And then I would just have to add in the oh, they're probably doing the max range. Oh, thanks. They're probably doing the max range just inside of the on-target hit. Okay, they just put velocity on it, so this is like this is pretty custom. This isn't even using. Well, you couldn't use a tracking or a linear projectile on this. That makes sense because you have to send it out, and then if it gets to its max range, you have to pull it back. So that makes sense. Mine won't have to be like that complex though. I just need to change it to a linear projectile, and I should be alright. But I may need to add. I know there is a. So there is a. let's see. On projectile. Yeah, there's on projectile finish as well. So if it hits the unit, I already have that built in. I would just have to add this and then change it to linear, and it should work. Because when it gets to this, I'll delete the item from the user and then drop it at the current location, whatever the distance is. Cool. Yeah, I'll build that out in just a second. Maybe I'll just do that real quick. I can do all this UI stuff at once. So, on projectile finish. We'll do that. We'll delete it. I should put Kunka's fail boat in here. Fail boat. Except for it needs fail ball. I wish I had ball dropped. I will probably have to go and create my own announcer eventually, but that's alright. Okay, do that, and then we need this linear projectile, which we just need to see what the differences are. I'm going to put this over here for a second. Target, effect name, move speed, start radius, end radius. This should probably be pretty small, like 85. And radius. We'll have to see. That particle is decently big, but I don't think that this Wraith King particle is going to work anymore because it's a tracking particle. Start fixed position. Oh wait, what the heck, how did I get that? Start position. There is no dodgeable, there is no provided vision. No, there is. Target teams. I'll have to go figure out what the teams are that I can put in there. Vision radius, is that a thing? Yeah. We'll do so that's different. Doesn't have a source attachment. Okay. So I just need to go figure out what the target teams are. Both. There we go. Back on there. Just like that. Oh, and then there was one more. Whoops. There was target flags, which I'll have to go see because I want it to be able to hit everybody. So flags and why is this? Okay, so it is hitting him. What? Alright, let's watch one at a time. Okay. So this will make it hit target magic immune enemies. Okay, I thought that was confusing. So we want to keep that. Cool. Just change this to linear. Oh, and then I have to write the script. Oh. Yes. Ball missed. Functions. Oh, nice. So I already have this drop ball, which I could probably refactor to. What did I end up putting in my ball drop? Sounds. Oh yeah, I did the team drop balls. Nice. Okay, so this would pass in. It's definitely going to give us the caster. I don't know what else it'll give us though. Let's see. What else do I need? I just need the item. We'll see if... Where am I getting the item? Oh, I'm doing this nonsense. I'm probably gonna have to do this again. That's fine. So, hype. Nice. The hype is real. We're gonna be playing this pretty soon. So let's move that down. Get rid of that. We're just dropping the ball. Okay, so now I just need to figure out what we have in here. And make sure this works. Oh, I don't think it's gonna...
Oddball.
Oh, duh, I know why those aren't working. Okay, that's fine. Oh, I'm stunned. Oh, blade. I should comment that up.
I should say so. Play ball. You have the ball.
Alright. Oh, yep. Yeah. Unit target. point. I wonder if I can just script reload that. Nope. Unfortunately. Unless I spawn another ball. And then we go pick that ball up.
You have the ball.
Nope.
I can sense pain. Oddball.
Oh man. Okay, let's go comment that out while we're thinking about it. Come on, mouse. There you go. Stun all players.
I ride. Play ball. You have the ball.
Unfortunate. So, might be a couple more things we need to do. Doodle, do you know where I could find an example of a linear projectile like Mirana's arrow or something like that? I know there is a, where's the spell library? What the heck? Alright, I'm just gonna go back. Alright, NPC abilities. See if we can find something here. Searing arrows, frost arrows, Mirana arrow. Okay, cool, I found it. Nice. Okay, so ability behavior, directional point. Okay, we got a couple things to change. There's no damage, so that's irrelevant. So directional point, ignore backswing. Yeah, I ended up finding it. Appreciate it though. I kind of forgot that this thing existed, spell library. Let's see. I think I might need to. Let me just throw in Mirana's arrow real quick as a particle, and let's test it because I do not think it's going to work with this.
Oddball. You have the ball.
Okay. let's see. That might do it. I don't think I even have a cast range. Yeah, I did. It's right here. Day 11, bro. I know, man. I've been freaking cranking. Just about done. Okay, let me put a bigger cast range on it. I don't want it to go that far. Where is the distance that it can go? Alright, linear projectile. Arrow range is arrow range. Oh, that's fixed distance. Let's double check that one. Oh, I don't know if I added that. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, man. I wasn't going to say anything about it, but I'm really just here to advertise. We'll do blink. That way you can still get it if you... I mean, yeah. I could. For sure. They're doing theirs a little different though. He's doing launch arrow on spell start. But maybe that's the way to go. So, let me try this. Now that I added a fixed distance, since I completely missed that.
Oddball.
Excuse me. It is not right.
You have the ball.
Unable to loop. Unable to look up attachment, attach attack 2 on model Abaddon. Okay, that's fine. That's not a big deal. Target is not a recognized target name in item Oddball. Oh, maybe that's not a thing. Point. Meh. Well played. I should, yeah. I should, if this doesn't work, I will take the file.
Oddball.
I drink from the pot of fate.
You have the ball. You have the ball.
I just... What? I don't know if anybody else saw that. I just totally threw it at myself. So, that's what... It spawned behind me, and I threw it at myself. I'm gonna watch it on the stream.
Play ball.
That was hilarious.
You have the ball.
Okay. So, now we're getting a different one. Caster is not a recognized target name. Yeah, target point caster, yeah. So caster is not a recognized target name in Oddball, and target is not a recognized target name. What is this thing tripping? I don't even have target. Oh. It's saying that these fire events, the sounds, saying that's just for sounds. That's not a big deal. I mean, I'm gonna try this again, and this may crash because it crashed last time, but it would be really nice if this was formatted. Oh, thank you. Oh, but you still can't comment stuff out? Really? You gotta go freaking do it manually? As if that's hard. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go do a tiny bit of research here. And go back. Wait, what file is it looking in? Heroes. Hero. Okay. Scripts, vscripts, heroes. Mirana, arrow. Launch arrow. Caster location, arrow table. Oh, great. I have to go look that up. Oh no. Arrow table equals arrow table or an empty object. Caster location. Arrow hit. Wait. That's it? I wonder if it's because it can't find... So it's saying that it can't find the attachment point on Abaddon. So I may need to go modify that to make it a more universal attachment point. But it's saying attach to. Attach attack to. Attack to. That's for effects as well. That doesn't matter. Let's see. Man, this is set up a little bit strange. Oh, whoops, I forgot another one. Freaking has frontal cone. I know I said I was going to grab the file, but it's like very, very different than mine. Alright, let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. But the arrow did cast from behind me, so start position, attach origin.
Oddball. You have the ball. You have the ball.
Yep, I just stuck it in my butt. Okay, that was really weird. But that's exactly what happened. Do not quote me on that. What is happening? Like, the arrow is like so far behind me.
You have the ball.
Throwing it to myself. There's no undo on what you say, unfortunately. So Mirana's arrow is interesting because it can't hit allies. So I wonder if I change this from hitting allies, or hitting both to only hitting allies, if it would work. Then we can debug the location a bit better so I'm not throwing it at myself.
Oddball.
I see.
You have the ball.
Chosen of Avernus.
Yeah, it works. Alright, so I'm gonna have to find an attachment point that's like way out in front of me, or at least a tiny bit in front of me. But now we can at least test it, so let's do this ran and broke, so let's get that out of the way. Let's See if we can... Oh, it deleted the item from me. Let's see if we can spawn another one and get it to work.
You have the ball.
Oh, I didn't script reload.
I
Should just stay up here.
You have the ball.
Okay. There we go. But it only... Oh, but it does hit allies. That's interesting. I wonder why that's hitting me. It looked like I was throwing it from behind me. Well, I changed the team and now that's working, but... Alright, let's see. So, we have the caster and ability. That's all we get. That kind of sucks. Like, how are we supposed to get the location that it ended? To manually calculate that? I wonder if that's even going to give me the direction that it was thrown in. Let's do v.ability.
You have the ball.
Spectral mist fills my soul to overflowing.
Table expected got nil. Oh, it's duh. That doesn't even need to be in there.
I'm not ready.
But it's not forward direction, right? Because I can throw... Well, let's see if I can throw it backwards. Yeah, you're right. They would have to throw it forward, so... So in here, I can set a variable. So we'll set a function in here. Calc all drop location. And then we'll just set a variable on our item functions. Calculate that out. We're definitely going to need the caster in here. And then we'll do... And then... That's gonna be... Yeah, I will. Okay. So that'll, okay, so you're saying the location is going to be origin plus distance times the vector normalized? Because origin is going to be a vector as well. I need to get the distance off of the item. Or I could just hard code it. Oh, what the? Nice. Teal Tiger victory.
Just as the hunt.
It's position vector, the normalized forward vector is a directional. So you move origin distance units along the forward vector. Yeah. I'm not quite sure how to do that, to be honest. What was that called again? Oops. Oh, it is just normalized. So moving this origin along the forward vector is going to be the interesting part. So I don't get how to do that. Unless there's a way to move a vector along. Okay. Okay. So now we can use item functions dot drop ball location in here. And then we'll replace target with that. And then in here we'll have to say target equal, oh, you can't freaking do a ternary function. If target actually, no, if that does return, then I could just do this. Location is nil, and location just equals target. Or I could just alter this to just do get absolute origin, and this will just be location, and then all that goes away, minus that. Oh wait, no, you need the entity. Crap. Let's do this. Okay, let's undo all that, and then let's add location on here. And then all of that can go. That can be target. And then that can change to this. That can be target. And then all that's still intact, but this is location. And then down here, put caster. Okay.
Oddball. The mist shows me it is not right to.
You have the ball. Your team brought the ball.
What? Check it out. Sick. Alright, let's try one more thing. Oh, right as it disappears.
Play ball. The mist moves.
Alright, get out of here, Chin.
You have the ball.
Catch, dog.
Your team.
Oh, I made it not hit allies. Okay, so then you sent me the pudge meat hook, so let's look at that. Because if it's using origin, enemy and friendly, but not both. Interesting. Actually, I think I do need to spawn a new ball.
You have the ball. Your team you have the ball.
Very cunning.
Wait a second, throw this one. Probably have to restart though. Also, actually, before I restart, let me try the Hellfire Blast. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what both is, so... There's only 3. Enemy, friendly, and both.
Oddball.
So...
You have the ball.
It's still spawning way behind me.
I might admit.
Play ball. You have the ball.
Like way back there.
You have the ball.
Let's do this. Come on. What other positions do we have?
Oddball.
A dark first slate.
You have the ball. You have the ball. Play ball.
I mean, they're solving this somehow. Ah. I wonder if they're setting him immune. Yeah, I'm not sure what they're using the Lua for, like in the Mirana. That's interesting. I wonder if these projectiles are...
Oddball.
I mean, these, I should probably just go look real quick. Let's search for this. Yeah, these are custom. Oh wait, what the? Oh, actually, yeah, it's in the same file. Stunned enabled? This must be... Where's the face? Yeah. Interesting. Well played, Valve. Why is there no API to make yourself immune to your own spell? You should be able to put like not self or target flags, no self. Okay, I figured it was the phased when I read it. I was like, that sounds about right. So let's add this modifier throw ball phased.
Oddball.
I travel with the mist.
You have the ball. Your team dropped the ball.
Chosen.
That sucks and that's... It works. This particle's just not going to work, unfortunately. That really sucks.
Play ball.
It just freezes
Your team dropped the ball.
So it goes.
because it doesn't have a... it's not set up to be a linear projectile. I'm not sure how to even make a projectile linear, I mean a particle linear, because I don't think I copied those. I think those are straight from Skeleton King. That's certainly not it. What in the world?
For the House of Venice.
What the heck is this thing called? Skeleton King Hellfire Blast. Yeah, pretty... oh, God. He's got like 6 different names in this. Skeleton King no space, Skeleton King underscore. Which one am I using? Just the actual Hellfire Blast. But it's so cool.
Floods my veins.
Let's see. So that's how you do multiple. Okay, it might be something like this. So let's check out. Let's look at Mirana's arrow. Movement, basic.
All this was promised me, and
Render models. Ramp, scalar, linear, random. Maybe. Because it seems like it's just missing something. Like, the ball won't fly without a target, so it just needs... That might be it. Can you open, like, multiples in this sucker? No?
the spectral mist fills my soul to overflowing.
I don't want to do this. I want to do this. Oh gosh, this thing is way too nuts. Oh man, copying this is not going to be fun. You know what I could change it out for, actually? This wave of terror. It's gonna be big though.
Oddball.
Ugh, that sounds disgusting. Two invisible things to get attacked like it. Holy cow.
You have the ball. Your team dropped the ball.
I mean, that's not that bad. It's a little bit big.
Play ball.
I think I might be cool with this. Totally cool with this. Alright, that was a bit of adventure.
You have the ball.
That was like very off track of what I was doing. I need to go through and change all these IDs. And I also need to throw another one in here. Alright, so the ball. And then the camps. And then pads. And then one more for Roshan. Probably. Probably. That's a good point. Yep.
You have the ball.
Yes, you can. Is there a disable item? To disable your Dota items, use NPC. Wait, what? No, that's not what I want. The first remove modifier is disabled. People calling canceling attacks. True. I don't think I see an issue with that. We're gonna have to go look at it. Because so I take the item, yeah, all I'm doing is removing it. So that can leave. And then I will have to get the item though, which is obnoxious. I should do this real quick. All I need is the caster, and then just do turn item. That way I can stop doing all this retarded stuff 3 times. Which I don't even need to do that now. Sweet. That simplifies that. I do need that one because I need to start. Okay, but I can just do this. And this is target. Nice. And I don't need to remove the ball anymore. this can move out of here. Get rid of that. Okay, I just did a lot of stuff. Do I even need this item? I don't even need that anymore. Okay. Oh, whoops. The game just ended. Well played. Okay.
Oddball.
I can scarce
Need to finish this puppy.
such power.
You have the ball.
Well, that certainly did not work. Why? That shouldn't affect it at all, unless there was like a compile error that I missed. Doesn't look like it though. Yeah.
Like shapes in mist.
I can't spot it from in there.
Well studied.
You have the ball.
I see.
That shouldn't affect it at all. So that's gonna remove it. And then the next thing will be that this gets cast. Doesn't make sense at all.
Mist.
You have the ball.
None of my sounds are working either. Something's weird.
For the house burneth.
Guess we can check this out now. Alright, there are 4 of them.
Oddball.
Yeah, I could. Spawn ball function, all it takes in is just a location, so that doesn't make sense at all. Maybe I should just Control Z and go through it a little bit slower. Well, I restarted. The game ended, and so it could have been that, like, I don't know, something weird happened. No. Okay, so that's all I added. Which when I added that, that meant that I needed to take it out of here. And okay, so I did take it out of there as well.
Look above the abyss and beware.
You have
I
the ball.
travel this.
Your team dropped the ball.
Okay, so we are working. So all I did is I added this function, which should take the caster, or whoever, and it should just pull the ball from their inventory. Okay, so we should be able to... Oh. Yes, we are working, but it is not removing it. Okay, I was going to say that should not be working at all. So, now...
Missed.
You have the ball.
Interesting. As soon as we remove it from the inventory, it breaks everything for some reason. So this gets called at the start. Then pass ball gets called. Pass ball gets called only if it hits a target, so we can worry about that in a second, but that is definitely going to break. This one is still running through this, that's why that's not working. So...
Chosen of awareness.
Yeah, that's definitely a possibility. So I may, that sucks. Because that would kind of defeat the purpose to wait until the ball lands to delete it, because that's what we were doing before. So this is not going to work. There's got to be a way to disable the freaking item in your inventory. Oh, he's doing some wonky positioning. It's ugly. It's alright though. Alright, well. I actually don't care that much to fix that. If you can just scroll past a little bit, it's not a big deal. That should be indented though, at least a little bit. What are these indented? Margin left, 16 pixels. No, it's the title. That's interesting. Pull this down a little. How close is that? Okay. Let's go get some pictures. Oh, actually, is Dota 2 Hattery still up, or did it close? I think it's closing soon, but no. I think it's gone. Oh, it's just Dota Hattery. All right, well, don't go to Dota 2 Hattery. We know that much now. Can we see Roshan? Probably not. Alright. Never mind. We'll just have to go. It's the Hattery. Bummer. Model pictures are perfect. That is all I could ask for. Yeah. As long as he's not in a... Oh, what? Let's see if this is a... Oh, step 15. Okay. Step 5, game info. Oh gosh, this is way too much. Let's just search. Perfect. I'll just touch that up a little bit. This one will be difficult because Roshan is gray. Oh, nice. Golden. PNG. Alright, let's get these suckers in there. Oddball, panorama, images, custom game, game info. Alright. This is ball.png. I want to change the name of that. What's up, man? Just polishing some stuff up. Right now I'm adding in the didn't find scent.jpg. I'm adding in the details. Oh, the game's on the holy cow. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm adding the details to the launch to the loading menu, the loading screen. Totally broken. Failed to decode an image. Oh. Alright, let's change that real quick. Let's see. Steam apps, common, Dota, content, Oddball. This is freaking in here. Open. Should be done with the game pretty soon, so start playing it. I'm definitely going to play it tonight, so. There we go. Alright, let's jump in and start fixing this.
Oddball.
Alright, so what is the size of this image? Ball is 281, 320. So I need to change all of these. Ah, that's why. It's because there's two IDs. Well, okay. Are they really doing the same thing on all of these? No. What's the last one? Items row, tips row, items row, margin top 0. Okay, there's the pad. Just need to fix the image sizes because they're set statically. Let's change throne row to ball row. Okay. Image, what was it? 281 and 320. Pixels, my bad. 20. It was 200, wasn't it? 320. Much better. Okay. So this coins row, which is camp row. Why are they even doing that? Let's just get rid of that. That looks much better. This image just needs margin right pixels. And why is it? Let's do vertical line top. Oh. Oh. No, that should definitely put it at the top. Well, oh, yeah, what the freak is this? God, I got some, this is like, okay. The next one is pad row. So that one should have like a margin top 25 at least. Same with this dude. It's getting kind of tall. I should probably shrink that image down a lot. Doesn't need to be that big. Pad. So they're doing this offset thing, so we'll switch that. Or actually, we'll switch this one. So I added the Rosh row. Let's put that after pad. So throne text is ball text. same thing on it. Rush image, there isn't anything right now, so. Whoa. And then rush text. What are the dimensions on that? It's pretty big, 600, so it's almost half. That's why it broke. I didn't need the width. So Rosh text needs to be added to this. Okay, tips row, margin top. Why is that? Is it because of this? Let's see why it's. Oh. Like, this is not that hard. You don't need. I got some hacky stuff in here. Okay, so I need to get this correct. 175, 168. That looks a little bit better. Mr. Khan and Mr. Rosh are not having a good time. That can be deleted. This needs to be a lot smaller. Turn the tolerance up a little bit on this guy. Okay, camp image is now 125 by 125. Ah, man. Looks crappy. actually. Is there really no? Not worth. I might have to find a better image. It says that it's free on the image. There we go. Oh, what the? What is that? Is there a border on this? Man, I just need to get that centaur. Why a white background does not make things easy. I was about to say, that looks terrible. Of course, this guy's got gray. Is there not a recent folders? Kinda sucks. Just gonna move them over there. In a minute, man. Getting close. Getting really close. Just gotta fix the dimensions on that dude. Oh, that's big. Just needs to be more wide. think I care to deal with Rosh right now. It's fine. Okay, there is one more thing to do.
Scouts.
And that is the end game screen. So let's look at that real quick. Let's change it to be HUD. And I wonder if that will allow us to just edit it. It's probably got some properties on it. Let's see. Did I already copy it over? I don't know if I did. It doesn't look like it. Overthrow, panorama, layout, custom game. Panorama, layout. Loading screen, scoreboard. What the heck is it called? Oh, that's just a multi-team end screen. Cool. So we need to go get that one from the main Dota. Multi-team end screen. Let's swap these, that'll make it easier. And then okay. Ah, loading screen. I forgot about that. I'm gonna have to replace this, but I don't think I'm gonna replace it with anything yet. I'm gonna have to come up with something.
Oddball.
Okay. Nice. That's exactly what I wanted it to look like. Okay, well, let's do this thing. So I did notice an error when actually does this let me pick up items and then show it in my inventory? No, of course that doesn't update. You might be able to manually update it though. Let's jump in there. So we have the end screen, which is going to pull in end screen player and team. Let's see. Team logo. I also want to change that team thing from being a. Let's look at that real quick first. Where is victory? Oh, custom end screen message is inside of the thing I just closed. That is in here. Not in there. Where is that? Oh, I know where that's at. Oddball, panorama, localization. So we just need to get rid of all of this. I'll populate that later so that I can get this translated into multiple things. Okay. Alright. And then items, if you notice, is not pulling in my item. Custom item. But if I buy some other stuff, it'll work. So let's see. I think that's the only thing I need to fix. But those were just the two things that I noticed. So let's see. That's going to be player, kills, assists, gold amount, items container. Score call items. That's going to be in the JavaScript for sure. Or not. Probably, man. I would like this to be in every language that people play in, so it'll be pretty simple. All it is just this file, and you basically just need to create one called addon_Dutch and then just translate these couple strings. There's probably only going to be, there really isn't that much, so I definitely would like it to be in multiple languages for sure. There was a guy on the mod forums that said he can do Chinese, so I think I'll hit him up as soon as I get all the strings in there. That'd be awesome, man. That'd be way awesome. Have you already added me on Steam? Yeah, I would definitely assume those are the most used. I want to do the Russian, the Ruski, but because I'm trying to learn Russian, so I'll probably try and do it. Yeah, just add me on Steam, Tetra, and I'll hit you up when I'm done. Appreciate it, man. Oh, it's not going to be in this folder. It's going to be in this folder. Right on. Let's see, where am I going? Dota, Panorama, Search. Okay. Yeah, alright. I got a custom one of those. So, image, create a panel. Image, player items container. Let's check this dude out. Dynamic item 0. Items / oddball. Okay, cool. So I think I just need to add that into, that's Dota, into the other one. It's obnoxious. Panorama, images, folder, items, and let's go grab my item real quick. Resources. I don't know how I got that to refresh.
Has contained such power.
Well, I'm about to win the game, so... Oh, can't drop it.
Your team dropped the ball.
Huh. That's a bug. I'll have to write that down. I need to give vision of the ball before I spawn it, which I should probably just put in my spawn ball function. Give vision of ball. When it spawns. Okay. Okay.
So it goes.
You can update now. Really don't want to. There we go.
Mist fills my soul to overflow.
Oh, now I'm not holding the ball. Gosh, and the game's gonna end as soon as I pick this ball up. Okay, you gotta be quick. Still not there. But I might just need to restart in order to get that to load. To hurry and restart before the game ends.
Oddball.
Have it on. Okay. File, images, items, oddball.png. What do other items look like? Items, oddball. Huh. Alright, let's look that up real quick. Where's my browser? Holy cow. It's freezing in my house. Let's see. I want to know where these folders are that it's referencing with double bracket or with brackets. I can probably just look. That's unhelpful. I don't think we're gonna find anything about that. That's hilarious. Well, where else is that happening? Let me think. So when we're including stuff, we're doing it, right? Resources. And resources points to let's think. Where's resources point to? Is there a resources folder inside Panorama? There's a resource folder in here, but that's not it. Panorama, it must just be here. Here they come. People ready to play. Alright. So I did put it in here though. Wait, what am I thinking? Wait, that's what I'm thinking. So this just hasn't compiled. But are images compiled? Yes, yes they are. So I can't do it manually. I need it to compile. Let's see. Is there a compile please function? I might be able to pull it up in the asset browser and force it to compile. Panorama images. Boom. Open folder. That's in the content folder. You can't force recompile? It's not a resource. Screw you. Come on, man. This is not compiling. I think it'll work though. So texture manager doesn't know about texture, panorama images, oddball, PNG, .vertex, vtex. Returning error in texture get resource view. Is there a thing that lets you do that? Because, yeah, it's not converting it. Or it's not compiling it into a vtex. Aha! Resource handle to data failed, falling back to error texture. Why did it fail? That's interesting. I wonder what image files need to be. So this one's looking for oddball underscore PNG. I wonder why that is. Let's look at... I actually can't even see anything else. I might be able to if we go back into here. Let's see. Panorama images. Today cell PNG. .vtex. So I wonder what that looks like if we look at it in the content folder. I wish when you like hovered on these, it told you the path that it was in. Oh, I just won the game. Let's restart. This one. Content, add-ons, overthrow, panorama images. There's nothing in here. Okay, so what about these? Overthrow background 1.png. What does that end up looking like? What? It's just gone. Goal logo PSD. I wonder if it only does PSDs. There's no way. Let's look at these ones. Well, those ones are PSDs too. What about these ones? Those are all PSDs. PNGs, haha. Aha. I don't know what I'm supposed to learn from this, but it should work as a PNG. Alright. I really think that that will resolve itself. I get the feeling, I should say. I don't know if I really think that. Holy cow. Why is that not working?
Play ball.
Let's see if anybody knows anything about this on the webs. Let's just get rid of that. Let's just get rid of that. Nothing. Oh, I guess that wouldn't return anything. Well, that doesn't help at all. One other person in the world having this issue, and it's in Russian. And I have no idea what I'm looking at. And there's that button though. Download queued. NPC Dota Hero default failed. Well, that's no good. Following the refresh does not work. Become a host, play one game, and it works. We cannot load the map. You're not correctly understood. Not properly explained. This is hilarious being translated. Do not connect to the server. Download workshop ways. Okay. Reboot PC. I mean, пожалуйста. Freaking reboot the PC. Okay. We can at least try and reboot all this. Get rid of GIMP. We can just close that. I wonder how long this takes to publish to the workshop. And I'm going to have to include screenshots and all sorts of nonsense. So I should probably just start capping some screenshots real quick, actually, now that I think about it. At least one. I'll do at least one. Cool. Good to know. Okay. Why is that not pulling up? What the heck? Okay. Will this one open? No. I hate some things. And it's only gonna open the other one, just watch. Oh, what the? It did only open the other one. Gosh dang it. I can't see it though. Let's see, open project. Oh my gosh, the dialogue is behind my game. This thing is tripping. Open dialogue. This is retarded. Now where did that go? Can I really just not drag this on top? What in the... It will not let me drag it on top. Alright. You guys can't see me code anymore. So, I think all of that is fine. Let's try this. It's still freaking broken. What item could I replace it with for now? Morbid Mask?
I can scarce contain such power.
Lifesteal. I think I might just do that until I fix it, because I am not sure why that's happening. I'll just have to keep an eye on it. So let's see. Let's jump over here. Okay. Yeah, it reduces your armor and your magic resistance, but it increases your damage by 50, which I should actually put that on the tooltip. I'll make a note. Add stats to tooltip. It says it in the information, but I don't have the actual numbers in the thing. Item, image name. Oddball. Then that is going to equal lifesteal. Oh, something just broke. Or is the I just broke message? What did I break? Oh. This whole switching JavaScript thing. Okay, there we go. Alright, we'll do that for now. What happens when you hover on it? Nothing. This doesn't do anything anyways. So I think it'll work. I'm not sure why this image would compile, but that image won't compile, so in fact I may just be able to go copy that image. Let's see, items, oddball, except for I don't know if these ones get, where the heck are we? Oh, we're in content. Oddball, resource, splash 3, images, items. Yeah, these ones don't get converted though, so. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna go get dinner, because I am starving. It is 7:30, and I haven't eaten since 1. So I'm gonna go grab dinner, and start writing up the Reddit posts, and publish this to the workshop. and then we can play. Anybody that will still be around after I fix this from showing the endgame screen. End screen. So I need to fix that, and then I just need to go make it so that everybody's stunned at the beginning. So where is that? Scripts, add-ons, stun, all players. Alright, let's give it a shot real quick. Man, I'm so pumped. So pumped to play. Oh, this has been an insanely long process. Although it's only been a short amount of days. This has been almost, I think, how many hours are we at with the stream right now? 2.5 hours, and then there was like 2.5 hours earlier, so that's 6. We're at like 55 hours into building this. I should really increase that to be like 30 seconds. Real quick. Get vision of the ball for... let's do this. 5 seconds instead. Let's change that to 30.
You have the ball.
Alright. I think we're good to go.
I might at that. So it goes.
That updates live.
Mist.
That's got all the information about the game.
Nuts my veins. I ride.
Oh man. It's real. It freaking exists.
Very cunning.
Can throw the ball.
You have the ball.
Oh, that is hilarious. What a fake out. Doodle. I think I might need to increase my vulnerability for longer. No, that's way too stupid.
More than likely.
Okay. And his points increment right there. He still shows up on the minimap. I think we're good to go.
Scouts.
I don't know why Tiny's only level 3. Okay. Cool. So I'm gonna go eat. And then we'll play.
This fills my soul to overflow.
So, be right back. Let me freaking close all this nonsense. Okay, let's add some text. Position that sucker in the center. And I actually need to keep that open so I can publish it. Alright. I'll be back in a minute. Seems I've made a mistake. Oh man, yes I have. That is no good. I might have to like reinstall Dota. Oh, okay. That's funny. I didn't copy the files out of here. I moved them, and then I edited them, and now I cannot unedit them. So, if I play any custom games that use those, they're going to be broken. It's actually only if I make a custom game that uses those files. They'll be broken. So, I don't think I'm going to worry about it right now. But I'm going to make a note that I'm probably going to want to reinstall. Unless my pen dies. One other thing I thought of while I was getting food
ready to download it and play it.
Yep. So I got a bunch of people who are waiting to play right now. So told them I'd be ready at 7, but took a little bit longer than I thought. So just got it. Yep, should be cool. So let's see if people like it.
Is your gaming glasses?
Yeah, these are my screen glasses. They say they're for gaming, but like without these I couldn't do my job.
Yeah.
When I first got a desk job, it was like 8 hours, and I had bad headaches, eyes were dry, redness, and it completely takes away all of that. Just like,
Does it just filter out like the blue light?
I think so. Yeah. So there's also a program called Flux that you can get on your computer, but it changes the color of your screen.
Yeah.
So I like these a lot better because your eyes get used to it, and then you don't have to worry about it.
Right.
But with that, you always like you get a little bit used to it, but everything does look a little off.
Yeah.
So
Well, that's what I have on my phone. I've got this.
yeah, I have one called Twilight.
I think it's
Bigger bites.
like where it's red.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. That,
Yeah. Yeah, because it's harsh on your eyes. Like I used to get such bad headaches, and then Michael was like, "Ricky, this is ridiculous." He's like, "I can work 9 hours a day and it doesn't faze me." And I was like, "What?" It's like, "I'm dying right now at my job," and he's like, "Get them, they're like $80. It's like so worth it. I've had them for a year and a half. Just like,
crazy.
yeah, they're perfect, and they're flat, so I can run my headphones. And it took a minute for me to get used to it, though. It was weird. Like the first day, I could only wear them for like 2 hours. It was just like getting used to it, but then,
Oh, yeah, it says like
Hey.
a very slight yellow.
yeah,
It really doesn't change it that much.
no, you get used to it real quick, and then you don't even notice when they're on. So.
Yeah, that would have been nice for public viewing.
Yeah.
We were working 16, 18-hour days.
Jeez, no good. I bet you had massive headaches after that. Ugh, that sucks.
Cool. Playing back to it.
Right on.
Yeah.
Right on. First day. Right on.
Busy.
Yeah, I bet. Oops. Alright, let's see. Let's get this puppy. I've never created a subreddit before, so I'm not even sure how that works. Too new. Alright, well, can't do that.
Victory!
I'll have to figure that out. so hot. I'll have to add Doodle. Has he submitted anything on... This is like all... I don't know, I'll have to update that info after I talk to them about it. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Oh, offline. Alright, give me a second. Boys, the hype is real. Freaking pumped, man. Subscribe to this shoes.
Dude, I'm scared Mag is gonna come off and open my ass by myself.
No, I'm right here.
I actually need to go update it already.
And Mag is mid.
I forgot to take off the loading screen.
You're being charged, Sergey.
Scary shit,
Mirror for
bro.
mana.
This is actually a really fast radiance considering that I have treads and medallion on top of it.
Yeah, it's a good radiance timing.
Fuck no, we're not pushing once, they just barely took rages.
They just
Stupid.
took ages. Please don't push.
Oh, I actually need to stop the stream and restart it. Hold on. Alright guys, that is the end of day 11. So I'm going to restart the stream so that